Hello kids, let's learn A to Z ABCD in small letter. Black color A. A for apple. Blue color B. B for balloon. Green color C. C for cat. Green color D. D for dog. Yellow color E. E for elephant. Brown color F. F for fish. Green color G. G for giraffe. Brown color H. H for hat. Green color I. I for insect. Blue color J. J for jug. Black color K. K for kite. Blue color L. L for lion. Green color M. M for monkey. Brown color N. N for nest. Yellow color O. O for orange. Green color P. P for penguin. Blue color Q. Q for queen. Black color R. R for rabbit. Yellow color S. S for sun. Brown color T. T for tiger. Green color U. U for uniform. Black color V. V for volcano. Black color W. W for whale. Blue color X. X for xylophone. Yellow color Y. Y for yo-yo. Green color Z. Z for zebra.